Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. Wherever a Garuda may fly, it is in the dominion of the sky. Wherever a fish may swim, it is in the depths of the ocean. Whatever ideas we may give birth to, they are in the dominion of the Dharma. Wherever our minds may look, they are in a space of wisdom. There is no leaving behind the dominion that equals the sky. The virtues of the victorious one are astounding. We are all self-originating dominions of purity. From the number of the atoms in the infinite fields of their domains, the victorious ones that have no measure work toward abiding in thusness. Our self-originating minds themselves are the experience of space. Our marks and exemplary features are a blazing light. The victorious ones who have completed their two accumulations are visible by the power of their ideas and their disciples, but all of them abide in their own heart essence. The Tathagatas that pervade the sky, for this reason, are the victorious ones. Their individual bodies, speech and minds, their virtues, good works, powers, fearlessness, prayers, empowerments and knowledge, these are beyond count. This vision is equal to the domain of the sky. We do not search for innumerable rewards. This is why the Tathagatas that equal the sky are actually a dominion of self-originating purity. For some reason we do not reach any end, but there is no place other than this self-originating dominion. This is not corrupted by causes and conditions. Self-originating wisdom is beyond speech. Wisdom that is not still is great bliss. True wisdom does not hunt for the primordial. True omniscience is beyond being obstructed. True self-originating is not anything else.